My tail light, brake and tail light went out over here. This is a Mitsubishi Galant 2003. So got some 10 millimeter nuts on the back here. Come out really easy. And then the headlight assembly should come right out. You just have to pull this carpeting back in the back. That's pretty easy to figure out. Okay, so this headlight assembly now, or tail light assembly, should just pop right out. I just pushed on it and it moved. Not much to it. There we go. And then, according to online, these should be one of these should be an 1157 bulb. Pretty sure my backup light works, so I'm not going to touch that. Oh, you can see which one's burnt out. Look how black that is. Yep, she's burnt out. And it is. It's an 1157 bulb. This one on the other side, my running light, 2057. Okay, so I'm putting him back in. It's starting to rain on me. No. Okay, I'm going to run uptown real quick. There we go. Ah! I got to drive it, so I got to put these back in. My other car is gone right now. Okay, just need an 1157 bulb. Super easy. Be right back. Here we go. So this just turns counterclockwise. Not a lot of room for the wire here. Oh, took the wire off from under here. There we go. Pops out. These 1157 bulbs, they have two different tabs, so you can only put them in one way. And then they go in and turn to the right also. Turn to the left to pop out, push in, turn to the right, and they stay. Just put this back in here, give it a little turn, and we're golden. You really don't need to tighten these. Yes, these are metal nuts, but this piece is all plastic, and if you tighten them too tight, you will break the plastic. So basically get them up hand tight, just a little bit of a snug, just to kind of hold them in place. There's a rubber gasket that basically you're applying pressure on, and that's it. Then you just tuck this stuff back here. If there's little caps or screws, just put them in to hold the carpet in place. I don't even know where my other tab is. I don't think this one had a tab when I bought it. But that's about it. That's all there is to it. Pretty easy to change out a tail light bulb. Most cars, some headlights are the same way, where you have to pull the whole piece out. But that's it. So instead of paying someone else to do this, you can do it yourself. A lot of places will do lights and headlights and stuff for free. But if it's something you want to do in your own driveway, it's definitely easy enough to do. Hope that helps. Have a great day.